Hello there again, it's Carl here from Keys4u. The next exciting product I'd like to talk about is this little thing here, the home view camera. The great thing about this system is that you can view it any device, which is your mobile phone, your laptop, or even on a tablet. It also has a motion sensor. Most importantly, it has night vision. Also built in is a two-way system which allows you to talk to anybody within the vicinity of this camera, and they can talk back to you as well. It's very easy to set up, minimal wires, and it's plug and play straight away. Now we've unpacked the home view camera, this is what you get inside. You get your home view camera, you get your power plug with a USB adapter cable. Also, you get your Ethernet cable, which plugs in the back of your Wi-Fi router. Download the app to your chosen device. Once you've done that, you're up and ready to start using your home view cam to see security from your home wherever you are. Maybe at the office, maybe a social event, even on holiday. You have access to your home, giving you peace of mind that your home is secure inside. Once you've got the USB cable plugged into the plug, get the back end of your camera device, plug it into the system, that'll make sure it's on. Second step is to plug your Ethernet cable into the back of your Wi-Fi router. Very straightforward. Plug it into your router. As I said before, download the app. Once you've got the app logged in, you can start viewing from your home view camera on your chosen device. If you have any problems downloading the app, please revert back to our website at keys4u.co.uk or call us on our dedicated number, and we're more than happy to help you to get you set up on your new system.